At present, Suzuki offers the Jimny in 2-door and 5-door configurations. However, there is no mention of a dual-cab pickup variant. Towards this end, rendering artist Theophilus Chin has constructed an enthralling vehicle model based on the Jimny. The objective is to apply the rugged and angular design language of the Jeep Gladiator to a more compact and affordable segment. The digital illustrations were, as anticipated, inspired by the elongated 5-door Suzuki Jimny. However, in order to incorporate a rear bed of the appropriate size, the ladder frame underpinnings were augmented by further extending the wheelbase. In addition, the rear overhang is considerably longer in comparison to the progenitor vehicle, augmenting its compact footprint by additional inches. Notably, the Jimny with 5 doors has a length of 3,985 mm, 156.9 inches, which is shorter than the majority of compact hatchbacks. The design of the rear compartment is influenced by the larger Jeep Gladiator, as indicated by the integrated steps on the rear bumper and the pronounced taillights. Consistent with its inspiration, the tailgate prominently displays Suzuki lettering. With the addition of widened fender extensions, the rear doors are no longer incompatible with the wheel arches, while the remainder of the bodywork remains essentially unchanged. Since its introduction in 2018, the fourth-generation Suzuki Jimny has served as a source of inspiration for numerous pickup conversions, both tangible and virtual. However, none of these innovations have been instigated by the manufacturer itself. However, in order to introduce a dual-cab pickup variant of the Jimny, Suzuki would undoubtedly require a more robust propulsion system. At present, the 1.5-liter gasoline engine that operates naturally produces 103 horsepower, 77 kW/105 PS, and 134 Nm, 99 lb-ft of torque. Nevertheless, these values might not be ideal in terms of meeting the demands for payload and towing capacity. In 2024, at least in Europe, a mid-life cycle refresh of the Suzuki Jimny will occur, concurrent with the introduction of mild hybrid and fully electric powertrain alternatives. It is yet to be seen whether these updates will bestow additional charisma and strength upon the cherished 4x4 model.